Now consider one more problem based on offerings Fourier series. Obtain the off-range cosine series for the off-range cosine series for, is screen is visible? F of x equal,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
f of x equal to kx, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L by 2, and k into L minus x, L by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L. Deduce the sum of the series. Deduce the sum of the series 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on. Okay, this problem actually, this one belongs to wave equation. In solving wave equation, we will get this this type of function f of x. You will get this problem in second semester in partial differential equations. Anyway, first thing, what is off-range cosine series? Off-range cosine series of f of x is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation an, and since it is an arbitrary interval, the formula is n pi x by L. N is 1 to infinity. Equation 1, where what is the a naught formula in off-range? 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x dx. F of x dx. And what is the interval here? 0 to L. What is the interval here? 0 to L. This is the problem. So off-range. This is equal to 2 by L, and the interval is split into two parts, 0 to L by 2. In 0 to L by 2, the function is kx dx, plus in L by 2 to L, the function is k into L minus x dx. K into L minus x dx. So anyway, k is the constant, completely taken outside, and for the remaining, this k is outside. X integration x square over 2, 0 to L over 2, plus, and this is Lx minus x square by 2, L by 2 to L, L by 2 to L. Now substitution of limits, 2k by L, this only upper limit will be there, lower limit in place of x 0, so lower limit will be 0, L square by 4, L square by 4 by 2, L square by 8, the first term. Coming to second one, upper limit, L into L square and L square by 2, this is upper limit, minus L by 2. So this is L square by 2 minus L square by 4 by 2, L square by 8. L square by 8. That is equal to 2k by L. Now L square by 8, and this becomes second one L square by 2, and this is 8. That means 4 minus 1, 3L square by 8. 3L square by 8. Isn't it? 4, right. That is equal to, now L square is common, 2k L square by L. This is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8. So after simplification, 2kl, and this is minus 2 by 8, these two, right? Minus 2 by 8 means minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So what is a naught value is kl by, this is kl by 2, kl by 2. This is the value of a naught. Now coming to an. Now an equal to formula 1 over L, 2 by L, sorry, 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x into cosine n pi x by L, cosine n pi x by L dx. Now 0 to L, again two parts, 2 by L This is 0 to L by 2. Function is kx into cosine n pi x by L dx plus L by 2 to L. What is this? K into L minus x into cosine n pi x by L dx. Next, now k is common. 2k by L. First integration. This is x and this one, and similarly L minus x and this one. So this part, first x derivative part as it is, cosine integration sine n pi x by L by n pi by L minus x derivative 1, and this is sine integration cosine n pi x by L by n square pi square by L square. This entire between what limits? 0 to L by 2. 0 to L by 2. This is the first term. Coming to second term, plus derivative part L minus x as it is. Derivative part L minus x as it is. Next one, this is cosine integration is sine n pi x by L by n pi by L minus L minus x derivative is minus 1. L is the constant. X derivative minus x derivative 1 minus 1, and this is minus cosine n pi x by L by n square pi square by L square. This is between limits what? L by 2 to L, and this entire bracket closed. Now substitution of limits. This is equal to 2k by L. First upper limit. Let me take upper limit L by 2 in this one. If I put x equal to L by 2 here, L by 2. So this we can here x equal to L by 2, and this is L by n pi. So this is L square by L by 2 means 2n pi. And what is this becomes? L by 2 means LL gets cancelled. Sine n pi by 2 will be there. Sine n pi by 2. Next one, minus into minus plus. This is L square by n square pi square, and minus into minus plus, and coming to cosine, this is cosine n pi by 2. This is upper limit value. Coming to lower limit 0, 0 into something 0. So minus, first term will be 0 plus, and coming to here 0, cos 0 value 1. So remaining part is L square by n square pi square. This is up lower limit for the first bracket function. Coming to second one, plus this L in this entire. So L minus L, upper limit first term 0, and here minus minus minus. So this is minus L square by n square pi square, and L gets cancelled. Remaining part is cos n pi. This is upper limit. Minus, coming to lower limit L by 2. L minus L by 2, L by 2. L by 2 into L by n pi, L square by 2n pi, L by 2 here. So this is sine n pi by 2. And minus 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 L square by n square pi square. This L by 2 means remaining part cos n pi by 2. This total closed. Now coming to simplification, this is equal to 2k by L. This is L square by 2n pi sine n pi by 2 with plus sign, and this is minus sign L square by 2n pi. So these two gets cancelled. And coming to another one, L square by n square cos, this is plus, okay, this will be there. This is minus into minus plus. So the next terms are L square by n square pi square plus cos n pi by 2, and this is also minus into minus plus. So 2L square cos n pi by 2. One part is over. And the next one is, this is minus and this is minus. Okay. L square by n square pi square minus L square by n square pi square cos n pi. Cos n pi is nothing but minus 1 whole power n. Cos n pi is nothing but minus 1 whole power n. So what is the common term 2k by L? L square by n square pi square is common. Then this is 2 cos n pi by 2. 2 cos n pi by 2. This is minus 1. And this becomes what? Minus 1 whole power n. Minus 1 whole power n. Okay. Therefore, what is an becomes LL gets cancelled. 2k L by n square pi square. I can write this is 2 cos n pi by 2 minus 1 whole power n. This is for all n. This is for all n. Therefore, Fourier series. Therefore, off range cosine series is f of x equal to what is a naught value? KL by 2. KL by 2 a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 2k L by n square pi square of 2 cos n pi by 2 minus 1 whole power n into cosine n pi x by L. Cosine n pi x by L. Now this is KL by 4 and writing the constants outside, that is 2KL by pi square outside. Summation is only for n terms. So 2 cos n pi by 2 minus 1 whole power n cos n pi x by L. This is equation 1. This is the Fourier series of the required function. Now to deduce what is that? 1 by 1 square plus 1 by the square.
1 by n square.
Sir, you missed 1 by n square.
1 by?
You missed 1 by n square in summation, sir.
Yeah. So 1 by 1 by n square, right? Okay. Now let me expand first by substituting n value 2k L by pi square when n equal to 1. When n equal to 1, what is this numerator part? Cos pi by 2, 0. And when n equal to 1, this is minus 1. So what is this becomes? Minus 1 and this is minus. Is it correct? Right? So when n equal to 1, I think this is 0. See, this is cos pi by 2, 0 and this is negative. Negative, positive. So minus 1 plus 1, 0. So first n equal to 1, 0. Coming to n equal to 2. What I'm getting? This is 2. 2 gets cancelled. Okay, 1 by 2 square will be there. 2 gets cancelled. Cos pi negative. Cos pi negative 1. So minus 2 and this is minus 1 and this is minus 1. This is what? Cos n equal to 2 means 2 pi x by L. Cos 2 pi x by L. So what is this becomes final? Okay, let me write one more term. N equal to 3. N equal to 3 means again you will get 0. Next. N equal to 3, we are getting 0 now. Cos 3 pi by 2 0. This is 0. When n equal to 4, if I take 4. When n equal to 4 means 1 by 4 square. 4 means cos 2 pi. This is 1. And this is minus 1 and this is also minus 1. This is cos 4 pi x by 4 pi x by L. And n equal to 5, 0 and so on. See, n equal to 4, what it is? N equal to 4, no? 4 cos 2 pi. Yeah, positive. This is correct. Cos 4 pi x and so on. And one more, n equal to 5, anyway 0. N equal to 6, what is this? When n equal to 6, this is, just wait, yeah, already n equal to 1 pi by 2. When n equal to 2, yeah, minus 2 it is there. I think this is 0 now. 2 minus 1, okay. Let 5 also 0. Coming to 6, cos 3 pi. Cos 3 pi means minus 1. So minus 1. And when n equal to 6, this is also plus 1. And this is cos 6 pi x by L and so on. Okay, this is the
1 by 6 square.
Cos? Yeah.
1 by 6 square.
Yeah. So this is f of x equal to, what I'm getting, this is kl by 4 plus 2kl by pi square. And see, what is the substitution after this is minus 4. Minus 4 by plus 4. This is minus 4 and this is 4, correct? Yeah. When n equal to 2, minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4, 4 means this is negative, you will get minus cos 2 pi x by L. By 2 square you have to get. There is the mistake. When n equal to 2. Yeah, it's correct. Next one, when n equal to 4, this is 0. So term is 0. Coming to sixth term, this is minus 4. Minus 4 by 6 square. So minus, one can write this is cos 6 pi x by L by 1 by 4 by 6 square. Let me write, this is minus 4 by 2 square and so on. And I'm keeping this minus 4 as it is. Minus 4 as it is. So what is the common then? F of x equal to kl by 4. What is the common in every term? Minus 4 is common, first thing. Okay. So this becomes minus 8kl by pi square, one thing. So what is this? Becomes cos 2 pi x by L by 2 square plus cos 6 pi x by L whole by 6 square and so on. And so on. And I can write this is 2 square into 3 square. One more step. See, this problem having more simplifications. 8kl by pi square is there. Yeah, pi square is there. Pi square, and I'm taking this is 2 square, and this 6 square can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 square into 3 square. 2 square into 3 square. So 2 square is common completely. So what is this? Becomes cos 2 pi x by L by 1 square cos 6 pi x by L by 3 square and so on. In every term, this can be taken as 6 square can be taken as 2 square into 3 square. So 2 square is common. Okay. Now in this expression, I have to get now what is the result?
Sir, it is KL by 4, sir, not KL by 2.
Where?
In the last step, KL first term.
Okay. Right. Now what is the suitable substitution to get the required series? 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square. If I put 0, for example, f of 0, what is f of 0 from the given definition function? F of 0
kx.
No. See this term. This is kx between what? 0 less than or equal to, yeah, you will get 0, right? 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L by 2. That at x equal to 0, what is the function value? 0. So if I put 0, this value 1, this value 1, everything goes to 1, 0. And cosine value goes to 1. So put x equal to what? 0. If I put x equal to 0, or you can put L also, na? What is this? Becomes k into L minus x. L by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, at L also it is 0. No problem. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Then what is this? Becomes 2 implies f of 0 equal to kl by 4 minus 8kl by 4 pi square. This is 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square and so on. And what is f of 0 value when x equal to 0? This is 0. K into 0. So 0 equal to kl by 4 minus 8kl by, 2kl by pi square, 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square and so on. Next step. Take this one this side, 2kl by pi square equal to, into 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square and so on is equal to kl by 4. Now kl gets cancelled. So 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square and so on. This is equal to pi square by 8. This is one model problem, half range cosine series. Same question, assignment, same question. Find the half range sine series of, okay, first question, f of x equal to kx, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L by 2, k into L minus x, L by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L. This is one problem. Another second one is, question is half range sine series. Half range sine series of f of x equal to 1 by 4 minus x between 0 less than x less than 1 by 2, x minus 3 by 4, 1 by 2 less than x less than 1, x less than 1. And next one, half range cosine series. Half range cosine series of f of x equal to x square, 0 less than x less than or equal to 2, and 4, 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Next one.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, please give us less assignment questions, sir.
Your voice is resound ostundamma. Please. Hello.
Okay, sir, I'll type in the chat box.
After the class, you ask. Okay. One more topic now. Take these 3 problems assignment. Let me give one more. X minus, that's okay. X is okay. E power x, half range sine series of f of x equal to e power x. E power x in the interval 0 less than x less than 1. In interval 0 less than x less than 1. And finally, half range sine series. In sine series, just you have to calculate only b and quotient. That's enough. This is sine x between 0 to pi by 4 and cosine x between pi by 4 to pi by 4 to pi by 2, pi by 4 to pi by 2. These are the assignment problems based on half range Fourier series. Now, next last topic in our first unit is Parseval'S formula. Parseval'S formula. What is the statement? If Fourier series of f of x, if Fourier series of f of x converges, Fourier series of f of x converges uniformly in minus L to L, then minus L to L f of x, minus L to L f of x whole square dx, f of x whole square dx equal to L into a naught square by 2 plus summation an square plus bn square, an square plus bn square, n is from 1 to infinity. This is Parseval'S formula. What is the useful of this Parseval'S formula? Let us see first. First, see what is the condition. Fourier series of f of x must convergence. Convergence means what? Exist. Fourier series exists. You know the existence conditions of Fourier series. What is that? It is periodic, finite and unique. It possesses finite number of maxima and minima, and it possesses finite number of finite discontinuities. If all those conditions satisfied, in what interval? Minus L to L, then there is a formula. What is the formula? Minus L to L f of x whole square dx, f of x whole square dx equal to L into this a naught square. What is a naught? You know, Fourier series quotient a naught, and an is Fourier series quotient, bn is Fourier series quotient. So this one whole square equal to L into a naught square by 2 plus an square plus bn square summation. Just the proof, a small proof for this. What is the Fourier series? Fourier series of Fourier series of f of x, Fourier series of f of x in the interval minus L to L. What is the period here? Fourier series of f of x in the interval minus L to L period. So our full range Fourier series, what is the formula? A naught by 2 plus summation an, since it is an arbitrary interval, cos n pi x by L, summation bn sine n pi x by L. This is equation 1. Equation 1. Okay. Now, what is the question? See, what is the answer? F of x whole square. F of x whole square. So, multiplied equation 1 by f of x. Multiply equation 1 by f of x. So, this is f of x square equal to a naught by 2 into f of x plus, isn't it? Plus summation an f of x into cos n pi x by L plus summation bn f of x into sine n pi x by L. Okay, then what I have to take? Take the integration with respect to x between the limits minus L to L, right? Now, let us integrate. Now, what is integration? Taking integration on both sides with respect to x. This, what is the first one? A naught by 2 integration minus L to L f of x dx. This is the first term. Coming to second term, summation always for a and b and n is from 1 to infinity. An integration for what terms? X terms, f of x into cos n pi x by L dx, plus what is the next step? Bn, n is 1 to infinity, integral minus L to L f of x into sine n pi x by L dx. This is equation 2. But what we have, what is this quotient? This one. Okay, let me write. We have, what is a naught formula? In minus L to L, 1 by L minus L to L f of x dx. From this, what is the value of this integral f of x dx? This value is what? L into a naught. Similarly, what is minus L to L f of x into cos n pi x by L dx equal to what? What is this one? L into an. Okay, 1 by L will be here, it is there, using the formula directly, minus L to L. Another one, f of x into sine n pi x by L dx is nothing but L into bn. Let us substitute all these L a naught, L this one, these integral values, this integral in equation 2. Then what we have, see, this implies, then 2 implies minus L to L. What is this? Square f of x whole square dx equal to, already this is a naught by 2. And what is the first integral value? L a naught plus summation. This is an. And what is this integral? This part. This integral L an. And another integral summation bn L bn. And what is the common? Entire common is what? L is common. So what is this? A naught square by 2 summation an square plus summation bn square. This implies, just wait, bn square. This implies, what is it now? Parseval'S formula, f of x, this whole square dx is nothing but L into a naught square by 2 plus summation an square plus bn square. Just summation together for an square and bn square. This is the Parseval'S formula in what interval? Minus L to L. In minus L to L interval. Okay. And the same logic, you can define this Parseval'S formula for off range also. So the point is, the first point, you can say, what is this? Let me write formula, that's better. If f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation an cos n pi x by L cos n pi x by L bn sine n pi x by L. This is equation 1 in previously minus L to L. Now that period also 2L. Now in 0 to 2L. In 0 to 2L. Then Parseval's formula is, what is this? Just limits are changed. 0 to 2L f of x whole square dx equal to this L into this is a0 square by 2 plus summation an square plus bn square. Only the change is in limits in 0 to 2L interval. Now same second one, half range sine series. What you write, if the half range cosine series, in the interval, what is always half range means 0 to L. Half range cosine series in 0 to L for f of x is, what is this formula? Half range cosine series formula, f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation an cos n pi x by L. N is 1 to infinity. Then what is interval? 0 to L interval. What is the formula? A0 formula clearly just I'm giving here. What is a0 formula in half range? 0 to L f of x dx, and an formula 2 by L 0 to L. Okay, f of x into cos n pi x by L dx. So what is this? Then Parseval's formula for half range cosine series is, what are the limits? Limits becomes what? Half range 0 to L f of x whole square dx equal to what is this becomes? This is, see, what is this interval? This, just take this one. What is this becomes? This is our integral now. Then what is this? 0 to L f of x dx becomes what? L a0 by 2. Similarly, 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L is what? It is also L an by 2. So what is the common instead of L? Here common is L by 2. L by 2 of what? The first term as it is, a0 square by 2 plus second only an will be there. So sigma an square. N is from 1 to infinity. I think this is clear. There is a change, L by 2 for half range. Why? Because the integral formula results LA0 by 2 and LAN by 2. Coming to half range cosine series. Third point. For half range sine series. For half range sine series of f of x in 0 to L, the Parseval's formula is, what is this again? Same, integral 0 to L f of x whole square dx equal to, what is this? L by 2, there is no an. Okay, let me write. Okay, al, what is this? Is sigma bn square. That's it. That means what? L by 2 b1 square plus b2 square and so on. Because what is the half range cosine series? Half range sine series is f of x equal to what? There is no a0, there is no an, just bn sine n pi x by L. That is why L by 2 sigma n is from 1 to infinity bn square. These are the Parseval's formula for full range Fourier series in minus L to L, 0 to L, and in half range Fourier series. And what is the use of this Parseval's formula? Okay, see what is the use. Let me solve one problem and let us see what is the application of this one. find, take this, find Fourier series of, simple problem, but Fourier series of f of x equal to x square in minus pi to pi, in minus pi to pi. Okay, and deduce that, first one, the problem, this problem somewhere it is in minus pi to pi. Minus L to L, even and odd function, x square, no? There are even and odd, yeah. X square. There are so many, I think, let me see. I will write the questions after the derivation, one by one, okay? So I will leave some space here. Solution. What is a Fourier series? First, Fourier series of f of x in minus pi to pi is f of x equal to a naught by 2 summation an minus pi to pi. So L value is what? This is nothing but minus L to L is minus pi to pi. So L value is what? Pi. N pi x by L. N pi x by L. N pi x by L, LL cancel. So this becomes nx. Summation Bn sine nx. This is equation 1. Since f of x equal to x square in minus pi to pi is an even function, what we have for even function? Bn equal to 0. This is one confirmation. Coming to a naught, what is the formula? A naught minus pi to pi na, so 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x dx. This is 2 by pi 0 to pi. I can write, since the even function, x square 2 by pi x cube by 3 from 0 to pi, pi cube. So 2 pi square by 3 is the value of a naught. Coming to an, 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx dx. This is 2 by pi 0 to pi x square into cos nx dx. X square into cos nx dx. So by parts formula, repeated by parts, x square derivative part cos nx integration minus x square derivative 2x and sin nx integration cos minus cos nx by minus cos nx by n square plus again 2x derivative 2 and cosine integration sin nx by n square into n cube. This total between 0 to pi. Now, substitution of limits. 2 by pi, first upper limit, pi in plus sin n pi 0. And coming to second term, this is plus, in place of x pi, 2 pi by n square, cos n pi will be there, and sin n pi 0. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit, in place of x 0. So 0, second also 0, third also 0. Third also 0. So simply, what is an becomes? An equal to 4 pi by, so pi also cancel, okay. 4 pi by pi n square cos n pi. This implies an equal to pi gets cancelled, 4 by n square minus 1 whole power n. Minus 1 whole power n. Therefore, Fourier series is, equation 1 implies this left side f of x equal to x square, and what is a naught? 2 pi square by 3 by 2 plus summation n is 1 to infinity 4 by n square minus 1 whole power n into cos nx. This is 2. This is 2. Okay, let me simplify. This implies x square equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 into, okay, sigma cos nx by n square minus 1 whole power n is from 1 to infinity. This is equation 2. Fourier series is finished. Now see the deductions. X square equal to, if I expand this, pi square by 3 plus 4 into, let me expand, this is cos x by 1 square, n equal to 1, minus, plus cos 2x by 2 square, minus cos 3x by 3 square, and so on, and so on. So x square equal to pi square by 3, take minus common, this is cos x by 1 square minus cos 2x by 2 square. Okay, otherwise, okay, no, it doesn't matter. Cos 3x by 3 square, this is minus, plus, and so on. Take this as 3. Now take suitable substitutions one by one. Put x equal to 0. Then 3 implies this is 0 equal to pi square by 3 minus 4 into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 3 square, and so on. 1 by 1 square, okay, just wait, they have minus common, so this is plus. Okay, and so on. So what is this value? Taking this one this side, 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus, and so on, equal to pi square by 12. This is first one part. This is take A. Okay, alternately 1 by 1 square and so on. Next one, take all, if I want to get all plus 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square like that, what is the suitable substitution of x? All should be plus. So cos pi, put x equal to pi. Put x equal to pi, then 3 implies this pi square equal to pi square by 3 minus 4. If I put x equal to pi, cos pi minus 1, cos 2 pi plus 1, cos 3 pi minus 1. So inside all are negative, 1 by 1 square, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 3 square, and so on. So what is this becomes, take minus common, pi square minus pi square by 3 equal to 4 into 1 by 1 square, 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, and so on, and so on. So what is this becomes, 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, and so on, equal to what? 2 pi square by 3. So this is pi square by 6, 2 pi square by 3 by 4. Yeah, pi square by 6. This is B. Another deduction. Another deduction. And A plus B gives what? See, A plus B gives what? This even terms will get cancelled. So 2 into 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square, and so on, equal to, what is this? A plus B. First one is pi square by 12 plus pi square by 6. Is it correct? Pi square by 12 plus pi square by 6. This implies 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square, and so on, equal to, this is 3 pi square by 12, pi square by 4, and by 2 here, pi square by 8. This is another one. You know this result already. Okay, pi square by 8. And the most important now, why I am telling this problem is, here deduce 1 by sigma 1 by n power 4. Sigma 1 by n power 4 something. Let us see what is that. Now sigma 1 by n power 4 means it is not possible. 1 by n power 4 is not there. What is here? 1 by n square is there. 1 by n square is there. So how to get this sigma 1 by n power 4? Okay, now coming to the theory. What is the Fourier series? By using, to get that value, to get that 1 sigma 1 by n power 4, by using, what is this? Parseval'S. By using Parseval'S formula. In what interval? Minus L to L. Nothing but, okay, minus L to L is integral minus L to L f of x whole square. dx is what? L into, what is that formula? A naught by 2 plus summation an square plus summation bn square taken together, doesn't matter. Okay, so what this is in interval minus pi to pi becomes what? So minus pi to pi f of x, L value pi, that's it. This is pi into a naught by 2 plus summation an square, square is there, plus summation bn square. Summation bn square. Yeah,
A
what is
naught
a
also have
naught?
square na, sir.
Yeah, square. What is a naught in this formula? What is a naught value? What is a naught value? Pi square by 2 pi square by 3. A naught value is 2 pi square by 3. And what is an value? 4 into minus 1 whole power n by n square. And what is bn value? 0. Okay. So this is, take this as equation 4 or 5 something. Okay. This 4 implies minus pi to pi. This is what? X square whole square dx equal to x square whole square dx equal to pi into a naught square 4 pi power 4 by 9 into 2 plus an square 16 minus 1 whole power n, summation is there, by square means n power 4, and this is 0. This is 0, summation is there. Okay, next one, what is this is x power 4, and I can write 2 into 0 to pi, since it is in function x power 4 dx equal to pi into what is this is 2 pi power 4 by 9 plus 16 summation 1 by n power minus 1 whole power 2n is positive, minus 1 whole power 2n is positive. And what is this is 2 x power 5 by 5 between 0 to pi equal to pi into 2 pi by 9 plus 16 summation 1 by n power 4, 1 by n power 4. So this is 2 pi power 5 by 5, and take this one this side, minus 2 pi power 5 by 9 equal to 16 pi into sigma n power 4, right? And what is this is 2 pi power 5, 9 minus 5, 4 by 45 equal to 16 pi summation n power 4. Any corrections? Right, that is equal to 16 here, 2 8s are 8, 8 2s are, that means pi power 5 by 2 will be here 90, pi power 4 by 90. I think pi, it is not there. I think I did somewhere mistake. Check it. This is pi power 4. Yeah, pi power 4 by 90 equal to sigma 1 by n power 4. Sigma 1 by n power 4. So the result is finally, what is this? Summation n equal to 1 by 1 to infinity 1 by n power 4 value. That means 1 by 1 power 4, 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4. Everything, that value is pi power 4 by 90. Pi power 4 by, this is 4. Pi power 4 by 90. This is the use of Parseval'S formula. Parseval'S formula, whenever higher degree series is required, power 4, power 6, power 8, then use Parseval'S formula in the respective interval, either minus L to L or 0 to 2L or 0 to L and so on. And take some assignment problems for this. N power 4 you have to get now. Find off-range cosine series of f of x equal to x in 0 to L, and deduce that 1 by 1 power 4, 1 by 3 power 4, 1 by 5 power 4, and so on is equal to pi power 4 by pi power 4 by 96. Pi power 4 by 96. Only one problem is there, and this Parseval'S.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes.
sir, it's a request from behalf of the class, sir.
What?
Could you please reduce the assignments like alternate days? We are feeling stressed out.
Stressed out? Ah?
Sir, we have
Yes,
assignments
sir,
from
like so many
chemistry also.
problems.
So you don't need assignment in mathematics?
No, sir, like you can give alternate days. We get other assignments also, sir. That's why.
See, I'm giving one more relaxation for you. You said because since from 1st February college is reopening, you submit after 1st February. Okay, your hard copy. No need of soft copy. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, but please try
Okay.
giving it alternate days, no, sir.
సి అది మీరు చేసుకోండి అసైన్మెంట్ మీరు ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారు నేను ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా నేను పోస్ట్ చేయమని అడుగుతలేను కదా మిగతా వాళ్ళ లెక్క మిమ్మల్ని సాల్వ్ చేసుకొని పెట్టుకోమంటున్నాను
Okay.
యూ సబ్మిట్ సమ్
Okay, sir.
ఆఫ్టర్ February 1st మేబీ ఫస్ట్ వీక్ ఆఫ్ February ఆల్సో డోంట్ బాదర్ రైట్
Okay, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఫీల్ కాకండి నిమ్మలంగా చేసుకోండి నేను ఇంకా February 10th వరకు టైం ఇస్తా కావాలంటే మళ్ళీ
Yes,
మీరు
sir.
ఎగ్జామ్ రాసిన తర్వాత మీ పేపర్స్ అన్ని కరెక్ట్ చేయాలి కదా రైట్ ఇన్ మీన్ వైల్ టైమ్ యూ కెన్ సబ్మిట్. Now, this is your complete first unit. Any doubts? First unit, sequence, series, geometric series, P series, comparison test 1, 2, limit comparison test, D'Alembert's ratio test, next Rabi's test, logarithmic test, Cauchy-Centroot test, right? Next one. Alternate series, Leibniz rule, conditional convergent, absolute convergent, then Fourier series in 0 to 2 pi, Fourier series in minus pi to pi, in 0 to 2L, minus L to L, then off-range sine series, cosine series, and the last topic is Parseval'S formula. Okay, this is your first unit. Any doubts?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, if the function is like minus x square from minus pi to 0 and x
Wait.
square from
Wait.
0 to pi.
Let me write. Wait. You tell.
F of x is equal to minus x square from 0 to pi.
0 to?
No, minus pi to 0. And x square from 0 to pi.
Okay. What is your doubt?
Is it odd function or even function, sir?
So, see, first let me consider in minus pi to 0, right? In minus pi to 0, what is f of x equal to? Minus x square. Let me replace x by minus x. So, minus x square. Is it correct? So, what
Yes,
I am
sir.
getting? Minus
X square.
x square again, right?
Yes, sir.
But it is in what interval?
Minus pi to 0.
Right. See, what is this one? Minus pi less than x less than 0. Minus pi less than x less than 0. If we multiply this by minus, we are replacing x by what? Minus. So let us multiply it by minus pi greater than minus x greater than 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what is, just rewrite from the right side. 0 less than minus x less than what? Pi. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this minus x belongs to what interval?
0 to pi.
Okay, just don't say this is don't consider mind lo negative anukokandi. What is this? When I replace x by minus x, this minus x must be belongs to what interval? 0 to pi. In 0 to pi, what is the function?
X square.
But what I am getting?
Minus x square.
Minus x square, correct? So I can write minus x square in what interval? So this is minus f of x in what interval? 0 to pi. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Same logic, 0 to pi you consider. What is the function actually? X square. Now replace x by minus x. So what is this is minus x square. This is what? X square. And what is our interval now? 0 to pi. When I replace x by minus x means multiplied by minus this one. So rewrite like this. Minus x less than 0. So in minus pi to 0, what is the function value?
Minus x square.
So shall I write this one minus x square means, how can I write this is minus, I have to write again f of minus x equal to, shall I write like this? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
this is minus of f of x. F of x in what interval? Minus pi to 0. So f of minus x equal to minus f of x is true in both intervals. So it is an odd function.
Okay, sir.
And one more important point, see, whenever you have confusion in deciding odd function or an even function, when this type of problem is given, don't bother, don't waste time. You just calculate directly a naught, a n, bn. A naught, a n, bn, you calculate directly using the formula. Automatically, if bn is 0, the function is automatically even function. If a naught 0, a n 0, and bn is not equal to 0, function is an odd function. So don't waste time in deciding this part. If you are thorough with this technique, then apply. Otherwise, calculate a naught, a n, bn directly. Okay? Hello?
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, any more doubts? Okay. Now what is your unit 2? Unit 2. I think already in unit 2 the topics are, one is Rolle's theorem, right? Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, Cauchy's mean value theorem, right? Taylor series or Taylor's theorem. After Taylor's theorem, you have Taylor series. Taylor series. Then you have Maclaurin series. Then you have Maclaurin series. Okay, and Taylor's theorem with Lagrange's form of remainders, using remainder terms also there, using remainder. After this topic, I think all these topics are in intermediate now.
Yes, sir.
So shall I skip?
No,
Sir,
sir.
Maclaurin-
Please revise.
Sir, we don't have.
Hey, who? Everybody is having, no?
Sir, J&K students.
How many of you?
Sir, me and Basit.
Oh, two only, na?
Sir, even I didn't have it in my school.
What?
Neither did I.
ఏ మీరందరు జేఈ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్ పోయి ఇట్లా చూడగానే లెక్కలు వచ్చేస్తాయి వీటిలలో. రావా? కష్టమా?
Last one we don't know. Last one.
After this, what is after Maclaurin series? What are the next topic? Do you have syllabus? Okay, see, let me start with Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem. What is the statement? If f of x is a function, if f of x is a function defined in interval closed AB such that the first condition is f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b. In closed interval a comma b. Second condition, f of x is derivable. F of x is derivable in the open interval ab. See the conditions: continuous in closed interval, derivable in open interval, and the third condition is f of a value is equal to f of b. F of a value is equal to f of b. Then there exists a point C. There exists a point C in the interval open interval a comma b such that f dash c is equals to 0. Such that f dash c equals to 0. And in this one, the terminology is one by one. First one, continuous in the closed interval AB. What is the meaning of continuous? Simple language. F of x is continuous. F of x is continuous in closed interval AB means f of x is defined. What is meant by defined means what? It exists. F of x exists finitely. The defined means exist finitely and uniquely. Finitely and uniquely. F of x has a unique finite value at every point of the interval AB. Defined exists finitely and uniquely at each point of interval. At each point of the interval AB. At each point of the interval closed a comma b. Means what? Just logic. If I consider a here and b here, the function, whatever the function, at a it must be defined, at b it must be defined, at every point it must be defined. It must be continuous everywhere. The curve is continuous always. Okay, now onwards, continuous means function must be defined at every point of the interval. Means its value exists finitely and uniquely. And you know how to find limit of this function. Function exists means what? Limit extends to a, f of x exists finitely. Then f of x is said to be continuous at x equal to a. That is the first point. Next one. F of x is derivable. F of x is derivable in open a comma b. In open a comma b. Why it is given in open a comma b? What is derivable means what? Derivative. Do you know what derivative? Derivative means what? Function having f of x has derivative. F of x has derivative means what? F of the curve y equal to f of x has tangent, right? Tangent, nothing but you in intermediate you have when y equal to f of x dy by dx. What is this is called? Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. So means what? Derivative exists means there must be a tangent. There must be a tangent to the curve. And shall I ask one question? Okay, just one question. What is slope of x-axis?
0.
What is this? 0.
0.
What is
0.
slope of y-axis?
Undefined.
Not defined.
What? Yeah, something, right? Right? X and y-axis are what? Axes are perpendicular to each other, right? Perpendicular to each other, even though product of the slopes is not equal to -1. Why? Anyone?
Sir, it is tan 0 and it is 1 by tan 0.
Huh? Which one?
Sir, slope of x-axis, it makes a 0 degrees angle with
X-axis.
No, sir. Tan
Yeah,
0.
X-axis slope. I mean, X-axis slope m1 equal to tan 0. Agreed. Y-axis
Yes, sir.
slope m2 equal to, with X-axis 90 degrees. Now it is making.
Tan 90 equal to cot pi by 2 1 by cot 0,
Infinity.
sir. Cot 0.
Are tan pi by 2 infinity na? Why you are converting to tan cot?
Sir, multiplying then minus 1 on this, sir.
Huh? Oh, Bhavanav. What is 0 by 0? You are getting, see, yeah, good. M1 into M2. What you are taking? Tan 0 into tan pi by 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
So you are considering tan 0 by 1 by cot pi by 2.
Yes, sir.
What is cot pi by 2? Tan 0, 0. Cot pi by 2?
Also 0.
0 by 0. Anybody?
Sir, take tan pi minus pi by 2.
What?
Tan pi minus pi by 2.
Where?
For M2. Tan pi minus pi by 2.
Pi minus pi by 2. Then?
Equal to minus tan pi by 2, sir.
Then?
No, sir. No, nothing.
Hey, no, na. This is also no. This
Minus,
also.
minus tan pi by 2. Then minus cot 0, sir.
Whatever it is. Minus?
Cot 0.
Cot 0 na. How?
So tan pi by 2 cot 0 equal, no, sir.
Okay.
Minus cot 0. Multiply both, sir. Tan 0 into minus cot 0.
0 you are getting. Not minus 1, no? I need minus 1. Product of the slopes minus 1, then only perpendicular to each other, no? Anyone?
M1 M2 not equal to 1.
Sorry, try చేసి
Sir, angle between them 90. M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2 equal to tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 denominator will be 0, sir. 1 plus M1 M2 equal to 0. M1 M2 equal to minus 1.
M1
minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. Tan pi by 2 will be 1 by 0, sir.
Sorry, infinity.
Then denominator will be 0, sir. 1 plus M1 M2 equal to 0. M1 M2 equal to minus 1.
See. నువ్వు ఎట్లా చెప్తున్నావు తెలుసా?
Sir.
What your logic is, these whatever the lines, these lines may be like this. This angle may be 90. I'm talking about x and y axis. I know M1 M2.
Yes, sir.
నువ్వు రివర్స్ లో వస్తున్నావు. I know M1 value and M2 value.
Yes, sir.
Sir, dot product. Dot product, sir.
Whatever the dot product, I know value of M1, I know value of M2. If I substitute this one, you have to get 90 degrees here, correct? నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు? 90 తీసుకొని M1 M2 అంటున్నావు. నాకు అట్లా కాదు. I know x value of M1, value of M2. What is this value?
1.
What is this value?
2.
Right? Why? Yes? Simple question is what? 1 into 1 is 1. Why?
1 into any number is its number itself. 1 into x equal to x.
అబ్బా నువ్వు నోటితో చెప్తున్నావు అమ్మా, నేను రాశాను అంతే తేడా. వై? క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ వై. One into any number is any number. Why?
Multiplication is repeated addition. As multiplied by 1, it is added only once, so the number itself.
Yes, yes, come again.
Multiplication means repeated addition. As it is multiplied by 1, we only add it once, so the number itself.
Any other reason? It's general but perfect reason. You know, in mathematical words. కొద్దిగా ఆలోచిస్తే వస్తుంది. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో ఉన్నాయా ఇన్వర్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ, ఐడెంటిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ?
Multiplicative order.
Yeah, since one is, this is perfect reason. Okay. Anyway, ఇది రేపు ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. m1 into m2 minus 1. Now, coming to ఎక్కడ ఆపాను నేను. Yeah, f of x is derivable in open interval a comma b. Derivable means f of x possesses derivative. Only first derivative, that's enough for us. Derivative exists means the corresponding curve possesses tangent at every point. And one more point. And what we have? F of a equal to f of b. F of a equal to f of b. F of a equal to f of b means what? This is x-axis and this is y-axis. A and I am taking b. Corresponding to a, what is? Let me take curve like this. Curve like this. This is a. What is this point? Corresponding to this a, the point is a comma f of a. A comma f of a. This is the curve y equal to f of x. And corresponding to this point, this is b comma f of b. B comma f of b. Now, this is f of a and this is f of b. Clearly, both are not equal here. F of a and f of b equal means this curve must be at this position. At this position here, f of a not equal to f of b. So to get equal, what is the shape of the curve must be? If I take a here, b here, let me start with here, some curve like this, and this is b. These two must be at same level, a and b. These two must be at same level, f of a equal to f of b. Then f dash c equal to 0 if all the three conditions, if all the three conditions are satisfied. First condition is continuous, means at every point the curve must be defined. Second condition, f of x is derivable, means at every point the function has tangent. Third point, f of a equal to f of b, f of a equal to f of b, then satisfies, then there exists a point c belongs to open interval ab, neither a nor b, in between a and b, such that what? F dash c equals to 0. F dash c equal to 0 means what? F dash means what? Derivative means what? Tangent f dash c is nothing but what is this? F dash c equal to 0 means, that means slope of the tangent to the curve, y equal to f of x at point c is 0. Slope of the tangent is 0 means what? Tangent is parallel to what? Tangent is parallel to x-axis. That means now the geometrical interpretation, if the question is Explain geometrical interpretation of Rolle's theorem. Then draw the graph AB. Something you try like this. This is the graph A and B. This is A, B must be at the same level. And there is a point C in between A and B. Curve is continuous already. If I take this point C, then draw a tangent parallel to C. If this point is C, for example, C may be here also, tangent. The tangent here, draw the tangent parallel to C. Tangent here, parallel to C. Tangent here, parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. This is geometrical interpretation of Rolle's theorem. Geometrical interpretation of Rolle's theorem. Statement is important, and geometrical interpretation means you have to write the first condition. This is the first condition, geometrical interpretation. First condition. This is second condition. Second condition, and forget about this. Okay. Second condition is what? Derivable means the curve y equal to f of x has tangent at every point. At every point of open AB. Every point of open AB. And f of A equal to f of B means you write this, you draw this graph. You draw this graph. And the conclusion is f dash C equal to 0 means you draw this graph. This is geometrical interpretation of Rolle's theorem. And next one, let me explain one more, Lagrange's, then I will stop. Lagrange's mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem. Statement is what? Statement, if f of x in closed AB is defined as first condition, f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous in closed AB. First condition. Second condition, f of x is derivable. F of x is derivable in open AB. Derivable in open AB. Only two conditions. Then there exists a point C belongs to open A comma B such that what is the condition? F dash C is equal to FB minus FA by B minus A. F of B minus F of A by B minus A. And you see, when f of A equal to f of B, the numerator 0, Lagrange's theorem goes to Rolle's theorem. Lagrange's theorem goes to Rolle's theorem. Now, what is the geometrical interpretation? Geometrically, what is the first condition? F of x is continuous. Continuous in closed AB. Means what? F of x is defined. F of x is defined finitely and uniquely at every point of closed AB. Finitely and uniquely at every point of closed AB. Oh, pages are over. And the second one, f of x is derivable. F of x is derivable in open AB. Means if the curve y equal to f of x, the curve y equal to f of x has tangent at every point of open A comma B. At every point of open A comma B. Okay. I will continue tomorrow.
Sir.
ఈ వర్డ్ ఫైల్ కొద్దిగా ట్రబుల్ ఇస్తుంది. చెప్పు నాన్న.
Sir, that one, that slopes one I got, sir. That one slope is 0. Should I say tell sir? Other slope is infinity. So tan 0, tan infinity. Angle between lines will be tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So tan pi by 2 minus tan 0 divided by 1 plus tan pi by 2 tan 0. It is of the form tan of a minus b. Tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So pi by 2 minus 0 tan of. So tan theta equals to tan pi by 2, theta pi by 2. So these two are perpendicular with slopes 0 and infinity.
Can you write and post in our group? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Sir, we can write infinity as minus 1 by 0, no, sir?
Which one?
That one is slopes.
Slopes minus?
One is 0, another one is minus 1 by 0.